how to save item to your wish list on the Zara app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to save item to your wish list on the Zara app. In order to do that procedure, you have to go ahead and log in into your Zara account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you can go ahead and look for a product that you wish to add it to your save or wish list. So I'm just going to select a random product just for the sake of this video. So let's say that I'm going to go with this following product, or you could just use the search bar tool and then locate it. And when you just go ahead and press on it, it's going to take you to the home page. Here you could go ahead and tap this paper icon located right at the bottom. So this is saved in your wish list, and at the same time you could also go ahead and add it to your cart by tapping the add button, and then you could go ahead and select product and all that. And if you tap on the cart icon or the shopping bag icon from the top right, you should be able to see your saved item to your account on the Zara app. And likewise, when you have actually saved it, then you could go to your profile, and here you have this option as favorites. When you have added a product, you can go to your favorite, and here you can see that the product has been added to your favorite or to your wish list on the Zara app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.